Dams and reservoirs emit greenhouse gases and make climate change worse. A lot of us already know that, but most of the public and the media don't know it. So how do dams and reservoirs cause greenhouse gases? One of the biggest ways is through deforestation. At least 125 million acres of land across the planet have been deforested. And of course, forests are carbon sinks. And so when you cut down the trees, they often burn them in some places, or they just some places they just flood them. One of the big ways that dams and reservoirs emit greenhouse gases is through surface emissions. But whenever vegetation or organic material breaks down underwater, so it doesn't have oxygen present, it emits methane. This is a picture of the Colorado River Delta. It is drained completely dry and the river no longer reaches the sea, and 2 million acres, which is about 1 million hectares, is now totally sand dunes. And of course, coal is known as being the worst. When you burn it, you emit the most greenhouse gases. However, hydropower has a huge variability because some hydropower reservoirs can emit as much as coal. Hoover Dam emits as much greenhouse gases on its surface as a coal-fired power plant. We did this study, we're involved in this to try to fight and combat the myth that hydropower is clean, because as you know, especially here in Europe, a lot of the dams are being built as hydropower, and they're saying that this clean energy, they're saying it's carbon-free, they're saying it has zero emissions. None of that is true. No countries right now, 0 of the 182 countries in the IPCC, are actually reporting the emissions from dams and reservoirs or hydropower.